n. This is the n. To find out the sum of the digit of n. So first, in general formula is n is k digit. So this is the 10 to the power k minus 1. If 9 is k, so 10 to the power k minus 1. This is the general formula. So we can write this. The 9 we can write. So 9 is 1 digit. So this is the 1 minus 1. And similarly, this is the 10 minus 2 is 1. Similarly, this is the 10 to the power 3 minus 1. And similarly this is the digit. So we can write 10 to the power 321 minus 1. Write this. And now this is the, we can write the 10 to the power 1. So 10 to the power 2 plus 10 to the power 3 and plus this is the 10 to the power 321. You can write this here, and there this is the 1 1 1, and this is the, this way the 320 of 1. You can write this. And now this is the, we can write this total value. So this is the 321 power value. So we know that 10 to the power 1 is 10 and 10 to the power 10 square is 100 and plus this 1. So this is the, is 2, sum is this. So there is 2. So 2 and 0 is, so there is, so we can write there is the 1 1 1, this way 1 1. So this is the digit of 321 and this is the 0. This is the 0 here. And now this is the 321, this. And now if we minus from here this, so we can write the, there is the 0 is here and there is the 1 1 1 1. So there is the 1 1 and 1. There is 1 1 1. So minus this. So this value is 0.789. So we can write 1 1 1, this way 1 1, and this is the, we can write 0.789. So 0.789 from this one we get, we minus from there, and there is minus, so there is made. So this is made. So this is the made, the 3 1 digit is minus here. So there is the digit is the 321 minus 3 digits. So there is a 318. So there is a 318. And now, so sum of the digit. So sum of the digits is, this is the 381 and this is the into 1, and there is the plus 0, and there is the 7, there is the 8, there is the 9. So this is 300. So value is, so we can write there is the value is 8 into 9, 17, 17 and 9. There this is the 24. So 24, and there is the, so there is the 52. So sum of the digit of n is this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.